Okay, it's the middle of the morning. We've already got 4 trades on site. Let's check out the job site. One of the important things we had to do after the concrete was poured was to ensure that the back deck was completely waterproofed. You remember back then we had the base layer done? Now the concrete's up against the curb here. We're able to finish it off with a top cap. Now this entire opening here is the home for the incoming giant 3-panel sliding patio doors. So I can't wait till those come in. Those are actually about a week away, so look out for those. We talked about the drain tile yesterday for the garage, and those have already been done this morning. So yesterday we laid out the areas where we wanted to catch for the gutters, the rainwater leaders. They installed exactly at those locations, one on this side and one on that side. And they snaked everything back to connect to the main pipe that joins the rest of the rainwater leader system for the house. All right, it's time to start building out the basement. The first thing we do now, we snap the lines of where the walls are gonna be. You remember back then we put these insulation panels ahead of time? Well, it was in preparation for the framing walls, because now, once we install the framing walls in place, it'll be a real pain in the butt to slide these behind the walls. So it's always good practice to have these in first, have the framing walls in place, and everything's nice and clean. The basement right now looks like a nice open area, but really, there's actually a lot of bedrooms and section areas that have not been framed yet. So watch out for those. This will be the exterior wall that we're gonna build up against. We always leave a bit of an airspace between the insulation and the wall. They've already been marked off, ready to go. And check out those stairs. We just stripped the forms off of those stairs this morning. Look how beautiful they came out. So once the basement framing walls are in place, the trades are gonna start planning their layouts, and we're gonna see a lot of activity on this job site.